We are on the road from the International Airport of Manzanillo, Colima, which is in operations with flights every day with all the routes operating normally. Are 11:30 a.m. and it's October 24, 2011, just over 10 days after Hurricane JOVA went through the Mexican coast. As you can see, the road is in perfect condition for vehicular traffic. There are cars and buses with national and international visitors. Indeed, the hurricane brought a lot of water throughout the area we're seeing. We headed to Barra de Navidad and the deviation to Gran Bay Hotel Isla Navidad Resort. As we see, no flooding, dead cattle, or landsliding, as has been spreading in the news, or exaggeration of people. This is the main street of Barra de Navidad, where all the restaurants and gift shops are located. Again, calm and observes all the shops and restaurants are working normally, like I mentioned to you. This part of the video was recorded at 8 a.m. when the most of people is still sleeping. Just a couple of restaurants were damaged, but they are relocated in different space for the season. The tide is calm and the beautiful sea of Barra is as usual. This is still a beautiful town that has always characterized from other tourist destinations. This is actually a real town with taste and warmth of the magic of Mexico, calm and peaceful. The wedding of your dreams will come true at Grand Bay Hotel, and we will make it happen.